Welcome back everybody. Here I'm just teaching you some more things in PHP. So I just opened the notepad here, notepad++. So I'm just deleting all the old text. So here I'm just deleting all that things. And what I'm just gonna do here, actually, first of all, just create some more variables. Actually, again, I'm just typing the variable name, the string. But right now, what I'm just doing here, actually, and here, actually, as you just know that we're just learning HTML specified functions. Actually, these are also the string functions, but here I'm just teaching you how to actually maintain HTML in the PHP. The problem is that, for example, you're just getting some kind of text from the user. For example, you're just getting the username or the email address, or for example, you're just getting some comments from the user. You know that the comment boxes, we will make the comment box here in this course as well, by the way. So simply user can type, I love your website very much. Okay, this is really simple, that user can type. Okay, so the thing is that what I just want to teach you, for example, user can use the text in another way. First of all, I'm just showing you this by echoing it a string. I can use the echo here as well, but I'm not doing right now. By the way, refresh this, I love your website very much. Okay, really simple, commented by a user. But the problem is that, for example, if the user just use, or actually user just know about the HTML, then user can use these type of commands as well, the HTML codes here. Really simple. W. Okay, I love your website very much. So just go to the browser and refresh this, and now you can see that it is actually the, what is it, this is the bold effect. Or user can do this as well, that use H1, and here H1 as well, H1, and save it and go to the browser and refresh that. Now welcome, I love your website. The website is capital. You can see that it has actually the H1 tag. This is the problem, how to prevent these type of things. You just simply want the comments, not the H1 or B tags or whatever. So there are multiple ways to prevent that thing. So what I'm just going to do here, I'm just showing the string here, and I'm just applying the functions here as well. So I'm just typing, not the dollar sign, actually the HTML is special characters. Okay, HTML, wait for a while, special, not string, actually HTML special characters. This is the thing, HTML is special characters. Okay, just type these text. Now what actually it will do, the HTML special characters, HTML special characters, it will make the entities to your, actually it will convert the HTML tags into entities. I'm just going to the browser to check this, refresh this. Now you can see that it is showing the H1 and H1. What the mean is this, it is impossible to show directly the text in the browser. Okay, but the thing is that they're using the entities techniques. Okay, they're converting these characters, the less than and the greater than, into entities, and obviously then showing the text in this way. Okay, this is I just press Control S for saving, by the way. So this is the best way to prevent any tag of HTML, but it is actually visible, the tag which is user applied, not working but visible. The another way is to add the echo and the BR again, and I'm just teaching you the another way. Strip, okay, strip tags. It is more interesting function, and what it can do actually is string. And I'm just going to the browser again and refreshing this, and now you can see that I got some problems here, unexpected. Why? Just because oh, I just used chip, I don't know what I just used instead of echo. So by the way, now just refresh this, and now I'm just getting, okay, the thing, I love your H1 and H1, the website and the very much. Okay, now I love your website very much, there isn't any HTML tags. Actually it just stripped the text, this function, the strip tags. I hope you understood how this function works. And this function, actually this just converts the text into HTML entities. If you don't know about the entities and want to know about the entities, so let's just go or check out our another course, HTML and CSS, where you can find multiple HTML techniques and the complete course in HTML, and specifically about the HTML entities. By the way, HTML and CSS as well. Now, some more things which I just want to teach you specifically about the HTML. What I just want to teach you, for example, you just want to get a URL, or here I'm just teaching you another thing. For example, this is the thing. I'm making another is str, okay, str2 and is equals to, and here I'm just typing how to find web, or how to find work. Okay, anything we can type. This is a simple work which has no space. Actually, this is the URL specific way, okay, recommend the preferred way to create a URL, okay. But the thing is that if you just want to get this line into your HTML, into your browser, into your body, so how you can get that? Here I'm just making another echo, and I'm just adding another br, and here I'm just adding another echo. And what I'm just doing, if I just print str2, then what I will get, obviously, oh, something wrong I did. str2 is perfect and all that things are perfect. Then what is the problem? Unexpected the problem is in line number 3. So here is the problem in line number 3. Okay, that is a problem. I just put it a backslash mistakenly. Refresh this, and how to find work. Okay, this is the way we just create the URLs for the websites. Okay, but I just want to prevent these lines when I just show this text into the body. So go here and use the replace command. Okay, replace, just wait for a while. Actually, this is not simply the replace, str and replace. This is the real function which turns into below. Now I'm just cutting this str2 and pasting it inside here, and obviously this is not really easy, or really simple, as actually easy, but not simple, by the way. Here and here I'm just removing the extra comma after the str2. Actually, I just have to use all the commands before the variable or before the text. We can paste the text directly as well. Okay, this is not necessary to put the variable in all the functions. I'm just teaching you one more thing, that in all the functions it's not necessary to put the variable. Instead of the variable, we can directly put the text. For example, we can simply add I'm just copying this. I'm just teaching you this way as well, because this can be really important. We can put in this way as well, but as you know that if I just type the str2, then this is perfect as well, because the variable is actually the value of it. Really simple. So before that, what I just have to do, I have to put two values. First one, the value. Second one, the replaced value. Okay, here I'm just adding a character. This is the character, the hyphen. Okay, now what should be instead of the hyphen? I'm just putting a star. Okay, instead of the hyphen, this is the value which is real in this str2. This is the value which I just want to replace with that value. Okay, really simple and really easy. So I'm just going to the browser and refreshing this. Now you can see that instead of the lines or actually the hyphens, I'm just getting these stars, the astroph. So this is perfect. Sorry, not astroph, asterisks actually. So go to the browser, go to the notepad again, and here I'm, instead of the asterisk, I'm just placing any space here. Okay, I'm just setting in space. So obviously instead of the hyphen, I can get the spaces. Refresh this now. How to find work, and here is a simple space. I hope you understood that how the str replace works. Now there are some more string functions I'm just teaching you. Here I'm just adding another echo. Okay, for br. Now what I'm just going to do, I'm just creating another echo as you knew, as I'm doing. And if you just remember the loop, for loop, while loop, or do while loop actually. So I'm just adding str repeat. Okay, this is another function, because this is confirmed that this is a function because the text turns into blue. And here I'm just typing str2 or str1, whatever, the string text, and then press a comma and put the value, how much you want to repeat this text. Okay, now add just simple semicolon, go to the browser and refresh this. Now you can see how to find work, how to find work, how to find work multiple times. The thing is that why I just use the str2 instead of the string. As you know that here the str2 has hyphens instead of the space, so this thing can actually can be a problem. Okay, how to solve this problem? That is why I just show you how I just use the str2. We can use any function of PHP inside another function. So I'm just using the str replace inside the str repeat function. This is the thing which I just want to teach you here. Okay, if you just remember all the method of the str replace, first of all, the value, the real value which is coming from the variable or the text, and the value which you just want to update from that value. And now just go to the browser and refresh this. Now you can see that there isn't any hyphen. And the another thing is we've learned how to use the nested functions here in this way. Okay, really simple and really easy. So by the way, we've learned a lot of HTML string, sorry, not HTML, PHP string functions, and we'll learn some more in some next classes. So stay tuned and goodbye.